Under Armour. Holding steady. Been holding steady. Hey, what's up, Deli? Happy Tuesday, my friend. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, it's Monday, yeah. Hey, Walma, what's going on? Looks like markets be green right now. Green, no. Just gotta keep an eye on the dollar, make sure they don't start spiking it, but looking like spike calls working out well. Silver, I do believe gold and silver are gonna bounce. I kind of like the GLD SLV calls here. That's just my opinion, though. Again, we saw what was happening with the metals. So, they could try to pause it and burn out some traders, but I don't know. They're just delaying the inevitable. That's how I'm looking at it. Oh. Hope everyone enjoyed their 3-day weekend. Yeah, it might be time to get out here, actually. I got a bad feeling. Oh. I don't know. I don't know yet. It's like they're trying to climb the dollar, but stocks are staying up. I don't know. Just hang out. Just hang out. Looks like they kept teasing that 97.2. Yep. See, that's what I mean. I just don't want it to start like stepping up like that. The 865. Oh yeah, cash is king, baby. Like the stream. Hey, my friend. How you doing? How's Israel life? You're on the move. Well, that's good. I'm happy to hear it. S&P, pies of the day. Almost back to where we were on Friday. Yep, everything on the move. Looks like yields are just kind of hanging out. Uh, yeah, they might step it down. Again, it looks like it's struggling to get above that 97.2-ish. So like I said, that's really what you got to watch right now. If this stays quiet or keeps rejecting, then obviously the SPY calls and everything should work out very nicely. Let's check out some of our other stocks. SMCI back to green today. Yeah, and again, something like this, obviously, it's going to move, basically moving exactly with the S&P, right? So if the S&P's climbing, you can, oh, excuse me, you can grab SMCI calls here as well, if you'd like. Check on the pickle company, hanging out. Blackberry, hanging out. Up. Yeah, we got to see. I'm really surprised they brought this down and out. Again, they were beating earnings pretty consistently. I don't know. They really should be back here. Nice little 10% move if you buy that dip here. Did Xerox make new lows? No, it didn't. We had a bounce back today. 7%. Joint venture. Uh-huh. Company accelerating its company-wide reinvention plan, right? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I mean, I'll look at it. I don't know what that is. Oh, wait, is this, oh my God. This is, crypto, right? No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. GLD SLV calls, index calls, in my opinion. SPY, QQQ, DIA, GLD, SLV calls. I gotta jump on X. X marks the spot. Yeah, Mr. Israel, don't buy any crack, alright? Drugs are bad. Drugs are bad, okay? GT. 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 Good for you. Good for me. So we got here. How about something like that, huh? How about that, huh? That's what I'd wait for, at least. Do you see? Oh, Gandhi, what's going on? How you been? Yeah, I'd look for like a half a point drop first. S&P on the move. You guys can buy DraftKings calls. You can buy Tesla calls. Tesla call. I'll type that out too. Baby, I like it like that. You guys seen Rolls Royce hitting new highs today? Almost $18 a share. Rolls Royce, again, initially brought to you on the channel at $1.20. Now that's a call. The summer wind, it begins. Walk with me. Get your calls here. Get your calls here. Why does it taste so sweet? Let me actually check my personal account, see if I'm rich. Hey, it could happen. I get knocked down, but I get up again. Oh, let's see here. Let's see. Am I rich? Nope. A summer wind. It begins. Walk with me. SB, holding up. It's what it does best. So I wanna wake up in a city that never sleeps. These little town blues. I love how one account's like, oh, your cash is on hold. The other account's like, yeah, whatever you want to do. Oh, the big red. The big red. Dollar looking weak. Looks like a weak dollar. Up. Did somebody tweet something? Damn it, Deli. I knew it. I knew somebody did something. I knew it. Unbelievable. Yeah, the dollar barely moved. We're just seeing a break here. Can't believe you did that, man. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Hydrograph. Hydrograph announced the addition of Huron International. Oh, putting it in thermoplastics, boys and girls. Hydrograph. To the moon. Live to win. Under Armour. looking weak. Market's selling off. Oh, fuck. Here I go again on my own. Going down the only road I've ever known. Uh, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Oh, I didn't even make a goal, man. The goal for today is I need $10,000. Oh, yeah. We're looking at dance. Shut up and dance with me. Here we go. Power hour. Late day rally. Late day rally. Uh-huh. Yield staying quiet. Dollar staying down. Holler all the way back down. Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing? Big Lou in the building.
Right.
World. Chads. Guys being dudes. Uh, yeah. 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 Understandable. Oh, yeah, just got slapped. Up. Might have been a missile, not a plane, huh? I love these video. Uh, yeah, I remember her. Tia going to Miami. diving, so we're setting ourselves on fire and doing a backflip. Rules were made to be broken. This is the guy, by his Metro brother, reported and tagged me to the FBI, I told you guys, because he failed reading comprehension. So he misinterpreted my response to him and then reported me to the FBI. Jesus. God, I can't stand that guy. Betting $2 grand on Power Slap. Bro, that's why I say, bro, people got way too much money, man. There she is. That's what I mean. Like, is this shit real? Like, you go into an attic with a phone? Like, I don't understand. Yep, there she is. Yep, there she is. Gender equality. Draft King ticking up. The dollar pulled back, and everything kind of pulled back with the dollar. Gold, silver, stocks. Look at the NASDAQ now, almost back to break even. Call it a comeback. Hope everybody bought that dip. Do you believe in miracles? Yes. Bought the dip, then it dipped. Now I got no chips. I got all this dip and no chip. That uses AI. You know what's funny? You remember when everyone first mentioned AI, we would just rage immediately, right? Now these guys talking about AI, all of a sudden we're like pulling back. I don't know. It's funny, right? Isn't that hilarious? What a crock. Yep, yep. We see a nice catapult above the moving average here. All right, Deli, you hold the fort down. I'm gonna go grab some coffee. Alright. Oh my. What'd you do? What did you do, Deli? Oh man. Oh man. I love how I took a second to tweet it and then everything started dropping. I tell you, man, I tell you. That's why I always say, man, it's the worst thing you can do is give me a day off. It's the worst thing. Loud noises. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at Tesla dropping, whatever. Oh, the Nasdaq's red. Oh my god. Yields haven't moved. Dollar hasn't moved. Everything's dropped. Like I said, hopefully it's just retesting here. Just chilling at this support, and we're looking to see a bounce. Uh, um, uh-huh. Yeah, they don't want to break it. So, and again, the dollar's staying down, so I'm very curious. We really should have a strong bounce off this line. That's not good. Don't call it a comeback. Who's going to Tripoli, huh? Who's going to Tripoli? Can I go to Tripoli? Uh, I think I can. Think I can. I think I can. 75 more basis points of cuts. Yeah, I don't know. It sounds pretty positive to me, but we keep slipping. I don't know what these guys are saying, but I guess it's nothing positive. Look at this. We got gold and silver slipping. The dollar essentially still hasn't moved. This is what I mean, man. They throw these random BS movement days. I just can't, man. I just can't. Just give me a real market. Watch what happens. Watch what happens. Because I've proved it time and time again. Anytime the market's real, I can nail frickin' a dozen trades in a row. I don't know. As frustrating as it is, we all know, they didn't even start buying yet, really. So I'm going to go with 349 today. 349. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Never knew it was the Wizard of Oz. This one because bigger. Because of the wonderful things he does. Did you ever go to Tripoli? It is Bellissima. Tripoli. Deli, you're sucking all the energy out of the room. Good things come to those who wait. Oh, it keeps slipping now. Sub 1.6. Which again, it looked like the dollar was going to go down, which is why I figured gold, silver calls, stock calls. Oh my goodness. That's what I mean, man. Take notice. Anytime there's a day off, the market makes no sense the next day. Makes no sense. Something like this happened with what was it, Martin Luther, no? Didn't this happen a couple of weeks ago? Same thing. Same thing. Which again means that we'll get screwed today and probably be correct tomorrow. Like I said, unless right now, unless they're, yeah, that wasn't good. Unless they just wanted to retest that 68.40. I don't know. Again, I'm trying to stay positive. I don't. Again, the Fed was saying we could see up to 75 basis point cut. I mean, people are looking for like a third of that, right? People are looking for like 25 basis points. So, saying we can cut up to 75 basis points, I mean, technically that's really good news. So, I'm honestly surprised everything's kind of reacting the way it is. You know, if the market's going to put some weight on what these people are saying, well, then if they say something positive, we have to react positively. Come on, Kryptonite. Off to see the wizard. No one ever went in the past. All right, 25 minutes to go. It's a lot more time than you might realize. Actually, he said 75 base points if inflation is around 2%. They need to make sure it's around 2%. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Appreciate the input. It's low though, right? Where isn't it? Was it like 2-1? Two, what was it? Wasn't it like 2-1 or 2-2? I look at so much information, I don't remember what anything is. Miraculously, the one thing holding up well is DraftKings. Oh, the Q&A ended? Yeah, we appreciate it, because you just cost everyone big money. 2-4. Oh, man. Damn. Well, who cares what that guy thinks? Honestly, in my opinion, I mean, we could have seen a small cut already. Delaying it. Oh man, they're really gonna bring this down. And I'm just amazed. I'm just amazed. Like I said, we were stepping upward. All of a sudden, this schmuck talks at a university, and we break trend line, and we start dropping. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's me. Yep, dollar ready to break even lower. With the market, I guess. Further cuts would be an even weaker dollar. Well, first of all, I was talking about the technicals for the day on the dollar. And you think if we cut rates, the dollar gets weaker? City sidewalk, busy sidewalk. This delay on YouTube, even with ultra low latency, it's like 10-15 seconds. I don't know, it's a lot of time. Is there something that's quicker? Like less lag for you guys? I asked if we cut, do you think the dollar gets weaker? And so not to be a schmuck, but I assume you're Googling right now. Busy sidewalk, city sidewalk. Okay, so I'm asking you, if we cut rates, you think the dollar should be weaker? So you think cutting rates, Twitch is 1 to 2 seconds? What? That's a massive difference. Yeah, Ark, I disagree, brother. 2 to 5 seconds. Okay. Facebook gaming? Kind of nonsense. I tell you, this whole world is upside down. I tell you what. I tell you what. Busy sidewalk. City sidewalk. In the air, there's a feeling in Christmas. Oh, don't call it a comeback. Yes, I know. You're Captain Negative, bro. Tell you, bro, you'll think I'm joking when I say you got to change your mentality, bro. That's what I mean. Like when it starts dropping, like, oh, it's because I just bought a call, blah blah blah. Like it's funny, but at the same time, like, don't even put it out there. Oh no, not one of my 5 likes. Please don't. Not one of the 5 likes. This is why I hate days off. I keep saying it. Don't call it a comeback. Under Armour. Been beasting. SB, of course. Up, DraftKings calls. Anybody? Anybody? Nope. Nope. Busy sidewalk. City sidewalk. There you go. Tesla basically back to where it started. Lady in red is dancing with me. The doll is getting nice and toy. Getting toy. Approaching that final countdown. It's the final countdown. Diddly-dee. Diddly-dee-dee. Mm-hmm. Told you guys, Rivian sucks. Keep saying it. Nobody listens. And that was like the first time I got Hershey Puts right in a while. I think what, just a few days ago it was at like 233 or something like that. Guess nobody had those. Yep, there goes the keyboard. And there goes DraftKings. Yeah. Yep. Gotta trust the process. Oh, D3000, what's up, baby? How you doing? There you go. I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm glad also. Oh, DraftKings, nice. Good shit, brother, good shit. Told you, bro, I told you. Overreaction. Everything's an overreaction. Oh, yeah. I'm a bitch, I'm a lover. I'm a child, I'm a mother. Bro, it's like every stock we buy just has an overreaction. Like, what's the problem? Keep on dropping me, baby. Keep on dropping me, baby. Really? Oh, man. Damn, time flies, man. Time flies. Again, just a beautiful shout out to everyone. Again, we're talking less than 12 months. I mean, the stock is up 100%, pays you a dividend to own it. Right? People only want to focus on the losers. They don't want to trust the process. We're looking for 70 mil on 14 cents. Tomorrow after the close. Thank you for the update. Coke, of course. Ah, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Outstanding. Yep. How's Nokia doing? Up. Back up above 7. Got 7 and a third. Up almost 4% today. Nokia. Nokia. And who was reporting her? Toll Brothers I was looking at. Yeah, I actually said puts on this one. Coming out in less than 10 minutes. I said, sing us a song. Wow, big volume coming into it. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Yeah, they're gonna break this lower. Outstanding. Like I said, we had the dollar selling off. I thought stocks were just gonna continue to just kind of hum along, and they obviously had different plans. All right, brother. Appreciate you. Have a good day. See you later. My man. Close it right near 6840. Then sing us a song, you're the piano man. Uh-huh. I know what I know. Big green candle right at the end of the day. Oh, what else did we have? We had Toll Brothers. All right. We'll watch that for a sec. Well, like I said, if futures are green and we open green, I hate to say I told you so. I mean, we've seen this before. Like I said, I'm in them too, so it is what it is. You know, that's what I mean. I rarely have money for myself, and then I take a shot with a few bucks. And that's why, like, I love you, but like you type and like, oh, my calls are cooked. Like, with all due respect, like I laugh at you because I barely got anything, and when I take a shot, I get cooked. You don't know what cooked is, brother. Looking for the Toll Brothers. Is it really 4:30? I'm gonna look it up. Because if it is 4:30, I may I don't know, I may do like a quick video or two. Long form video. Let's see. Got Palo Alto. Yeah, it is 4:30. Well, that sucks. Palo Alto reporting. I guess we could keep an eye on that for a minute. Actually, no. I want to do a video or two. So, appreciate everyone hanging out. I know we had a short stream again, about 90 minutes. Hung out, ran a couple of trades that were all incorrect except for DraftKings somehow. But we live to fight another day. Hopefully everything bounces back tomorrow. It technically should. It technically should the way the dollar dropped. But that's just me. That's just my opinion. But if you need me, I'll be in Discord. And yeah, I'll jump on obviously earlier tomorrow and we'll spend more time together. But appreciate the support. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good night.